Air Jordan 13 Brave Blue Must Cop Must. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And you can also follow us on IG at Clones TV. Man, your boy don't even do 13s like that, man. But, man, these hoes is fire, man. They out the chain. Man. I can't stop looking at the pictures, man. I was on 23isback.com and I seen these. Said they released April the 2nd. And I don't think the resale value gonna be that high on these, but if your boy don't hit, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just get them on StockX if I don't hit on them. But according to this picture I have right here, man, they look like they reflect too. So, man, these hoes is fire, man. I mean, again, man, it's just the colorway. For somebody who don't do 13s like that, it's just the colorway, man. I love the colorway. So, Trey, what you think about these, man? What you think about the Jordan 13 Brave Blue? Well, your boy don't gotta have them. I cop, but I don't gotta have them. You know what I'm saying? It ain't nothing for me to get excited about. You know, not big on 13s, but they alright. I ain't gonna hype this shoe up. You know, it don't really do nothing. It don't do nothing for me like the He Got Games. You know what I'm saying? But not a must cop. They alright. Yeah. So what say y'all? Are they hot? Are they trash? When they release, are y'all gonna get them or y'all gonna pass? Y'all let us know down there in the comment section below. Alright, we out. Peace.
Peace, baby.